Imagine the night sky, peaceful, unchanging, a silent theater of stars that has watched over us for millennia. It feels eternal, a cosmic tapestry that seems to promise safety and order. But hidden among those stars are vast, ancient wanderers, rogue black holes drifting unseen through the darkness, their presence masked by the very void they create. These are real invisible giants, cosmic phantoms that roam the galaxy alone, untethered and undetected, their existence revealed only by the way they bend and twist the light of distant stars. Born from chaos and destruction, they move silently, casting no light, leaving no trace. Ghosts of collapsed stars, forever wandering the cosmic sea. Their gravity is so powerful, not even light escapes. They warp the very fabric of space, creating invisible traps that can snare anything that comes too close. We cannot see or hear them, only hope their paths never cross ours. Their silence is absolute, their presence a chilling reminder of the universe's hidden dangers. They are not bound to any star, nor anchored to any galaxy. They drift freely, untamed and unpredictable, true nomads of the cosmos. Each is a remnant of a dead star, a tear in space-time itself, born from the explosive death of something once brilliant and bright. They drift, warping space, carrying the memory of a violent past, echoes of the cataclysm that created them, forever shaping the universe around them. This is a journey into one of the universe's deepest mysteries, a search for the unseen and the unknown, where science meets the edge of imagination. What happens when the most destructive force has no home, no anchor, and no boundaries to contain it? Among the galaxy's secrets, these silent wanderers are the most chilling. Reminders that the universe is far stranger and far more mysterious than we can ever truly know. What is a rogue black hole, and how does it come to be? Most black holes are born from the explosive death of massive stars. Sometimes the explosion gives the newborn black hole a powerful kick, launching it into interstellar space. In crowded galactic centers, gravitational interactions can fling smaller black holes out entirely. These exiles become cosmic wanderers, no longer bound to any system. They travel alone, moving at incredible speeds through the darkness. Each is a product of cosmic chaos, a survivor of celestial collisions. Their existence was long theorized, but proving it was another challenge. They are solitary ghosts, roaming the Milky Way. But how do we find something so utterly invisible? For decades, rogue black holes were only theory, ghosts in astronomers' equations. They haunted the margins of scientific papers, whispered about but never seen, their existence inferred only from the mathematics of gravity and the mysteries of the cosmos. How do you find something that emits no light or heat? Something that drifts invisibly through the galaxy, leaving no trace except for the chaos it causes in its wake? The answer? Watch what its gravity does to the light around it. Even the darkest objects can reveal themselves by the way they warp the universe. Enter gravitational lensing. Einstein's revolutionary idea that massive objects bend space-time and the path of light. This cosmic trick allows us to see the invisible, using the universe itself as a giant magnifying glass. When a black hole passes in front of a distant star, it bends and magnifies the star's light, a microlensing event. For a brief moment, the hidden object betrays its presence. In 2022, NASA's Hubble telescope caught such an event. A star's light warped and brightened for 270 days, a subtle but unmistakable signal from deep space. The culprit was too small and dark to be a star, it had to be a black hole. No other object could explain the strange, persistent distortion. Scientists calculated its mass, about 7 times our sun, racing through the galaxy at 100,000 miles per hour. This invisible wanderer was moving faster than most stars, a true cosmic phantom. This was the first confirmed sighting of a rogue black hole. After years of searching, astronomers finally had proof that these solitary monsters roam the Milky Way. The invisible had finally been seen. Theoretical ghosts became real, and the universe's most elusive objects stepped into the light of discovery. The galaxy's phantoms had a face. For the first time, humanity glimpsed the shadowy wanderers that drift between the stars. What if a rogue black hole entered our solar system? We'd have no warning, no light, no sign, just strange disturbances in planetary orbits. Its gravity would hurl comets from the Kuiper Belt, bombarding Earth with meteors. If it passed close, tidal forces would trigger massive earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and tsunamis. Earth's orbit could be disrupted, sending us into deep space or toward another planet. Even a near miss would shatter the solar system's delicate balance. Planets could be scattered, orbits twisted, our world left lifeless. The sun would remain, but its family of planets would be broken. It's a terrifying scenario, one we hope never becomes reality. But how likely is it? The odds of a rogue black hole passing through our solar system are incredibly small. These cosmic wanderers drift silently through the galaxy, rarely coming close to any star system, let alone ours. Space is vast and mostly empty. Such a collision would require unimaginable bad luck. The distances between stars are so immense that even the most dangerous objects are unlikely to ever cross our path. Our planet is safe, protected by the sheer scale of the cosmos. The solar system is just a tiny island in a sea of darkness, surrounded by endless space that acts as a natural shield. But these objects are real and common. They drift unseen, hidden among the stars, their presence revealed only by the subtle effects they have on their surroundings. Astronomers estimate there could be 100 million rogue black holes in the Milky Way. Each one is a relic of a star that once burned bright, now wandering the galaxy alone. They are invisible predators, shaping the galaxy in silence. Their gravity bends light and warps space, leaving behind only faint clues for us to find. The universe is filled with the unseen, dark matter, dark energy, and now millions of rogue black holes. These mysteries remind us how much of the cosmos remains hidden from our eyes. Each is a remnant of a violent past, a quiet traveler on an endless journey. They move through the galaxy, untouched and undetected, carrying the history of ancient stars. They are the missing pieces of a cosmic puzzle. Understanding them could unlock secrets about how galaxies form and evolve. So next time you look up at the stars, remember what else is out there. The night sky is more mysterious than it appears, filled with wonders and dangers we are only beginning to understand. The universe is not just what you see, it's also what you don't. Its greatest mysteries are hidden in the darkness, waiting for us to discover them. In that darkness, the greatest secrets are still waiting to be found. The search for these phantoms continues, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and imagination.